न होंगे जुदा। ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। ये क्लैप फॉर अस।
मैम ये खड़े नहीं हो रहे, हम प्रॉपर खड़े हैं। शोर मचा रहे हो, आवाज नहीं है। हाँ मैम बताइए कब शोर मचा रहे हो, आवाज नहीं आ रही। शोर मचा रहे हो, आवाज नहीं आ रही।
भाई बोलने कोई प्लेयर कोई बोलेगा नहीं।
भाई मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ।
इतने में भी नहीं समझ में आया। अरे आप बेकार है।
नया गाना है, बहुत नया गाना है। क्या बोल रहा है?
अरे नहीं बोलना।
नहीं नहीं चलो ठीक है, लेट देम लिसन।
मुझे तो आने दीजिए।
यहाँ भी आ गए।
आने तो क्या? आफ्टर ऑल वी आर पार्टनर्स। नमस्ते और सबका स्वागत है।
We are delighted to welcome you to the 12th annual day celebration of Jesus. I am Sagar Jaiswal and it's my pleasure to be your host this evening.
And I am Amita Nedwal, your co-host for tonight. We are super excited to be your host for this wonderful evening. And we promise you an evening filled with fun, excitement and memorable moments.
As we know why we are here, क्योंकि आज हम मनाने वाले हैं वो सफर जो शुरू हुआ था 12 साल पहले और जो हम सबको एक फैमिली बनाता है। तो आप सब अपनी कुर्सियों की पेटी बांध लीजिए क्योंकि मौसम बिगड़ने वाला है।
We will kick off this evening with a power-packed performance to set the mood right. तो तैयार हो जाएं धमाकेदार परफॉर्मेंस के लिए।
So welcome our team dancers Ashwani, the rockstar, Nakrili Vansi and one and only Manish Moktelwala. अजीम फुमकारा, शहजादे सरू, मंसूर अली।
कोई नहीं मेरा जरूरत तेरी, लागे ना जिया देखो ना जो सूरत तेरी। तू है तो तू है तो सांस आती है, तू ना तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो मनाते हैं, तू है तो मुस्कुराते हैं कि तेरे बिन सो नहीं सकते, किसी के हो नहीं सकते। तो जन्म भी कम क्यों लागे तेरे साथ में। मैं मुसाफिर तू मुसाफिर इस मोहब्बत के सफर में, तो अकेले रोए मिलके दिल के दोनों रब के घर में। साथ तेरे ना सफर वो सफर नहीं लगता, तू है तो दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है, तू ना तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो गम आते हैं, तू है तो मुस्कुराते हैं कि तेरे बिन सो नहीं सकते, किसी के हो नहीं सकते, तू है तो थैंक यू।
जिन्होंने आज की शाम को और भी यादगार बनाया।
Thank you, Mansur sir. And now we move to the next part of the evening. We are honored those who have shown exceptional dedication and hard work. Would like to invite Celestial and Dimani ma'am to the stage and announce the awards. Welcome.
Hi everyone. Hope you all are enjoying the evening. And you're staying? Yes? Yes. Okay. So we are here to present the annual awards, which are as usual divided in the categories: Star Award of the Year, and then we have Rising Star, and then we have Employee of the Year awards. So the first award is for the person. It's for Rising Star of the Year 2024, and it's for the person. I think he is everyone's favorite. He is brilliant in scripting. You ask anything from him, and he is always there to help you out, no matter what. And he is very sincere. Everybody loves him, adores him. So I would like to ask any guesses. जोर से बोलो भाई। Yes, it goes to Prashant.
All of you know basically why, and obviously you must be thinking very fair decisions. He's very technical, very charming, and very much mixed up in the team. Lot of difficulty. If you see the way he does his scripting, so in a very short period of time he has made his space, and people trust him and come to check with him about. Whereas sometimes we think something is really complicated. We ask, okay, give it to Prashant, he'll find some place. So congratulations, Prashant. You are doing a great job, and wish you
And
good luck.
I think everyone really wants to listen a few words from him, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, Prashant.
मैं सबका बहुत शाय बंदा हूँ मुझे स्टेज पे बोला जाता है तो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। बट ये है कि घर वालों ने भी इतना ट्रस्ट किया, आपको भी थैंक यू।
we have next award in the same category, Rising Star of the Year. He's, I can give some hint about it. I think you maybe try to guess. So, let's see how much you know your members. Yeah. Okay. So I would say he's the one of the toughest guy. Okay. Oh my God! Yes, Rising Star of the Year. Another award from the same category goes to Mr. Sagar. And you know why? Because he has been working with one of the very difficult clients. And I'm not sure how much you are aware, but one of the French clients he is working with. And it's very challenging, not just because of the complexity of the project they have actually. It's not just the complexity. Again, it's very challenging to work with them because they don't know English. And they only speak French, mostly speak French. And sometimes, I find it very difficult to understand what they are trying to say. And he is putting so much of effort and so much of, his energy and effort to try to get things done in the right time, and also trying to speak daily with the customer. And so he is putting a lot of effort. So he really deserves the kind of awards that we have. Rising Star, because he is very new, he has made his own space, and he is trying very best from his side. And we see a very big potential in him, and I'm sure he'll coming down the line, he's going to contribute in the team in a long way. Congratulations, Sagar.
Few words, yeah.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू मैम। मतलब काफ़ी चीज़ें सीखी हैं और आई होप मतलब और चीज़ें सीखेंगे, और काफ़ी चीज़ें सीखता हूँ सर से, मतलब किस तरह से काम करना है और किस तरह से चीज़ें सही वे में करनी है। क्योंकि मेरा क्या है, थोड़ा मतलब अगर सीधा जाना होता मैं सीधा नहीं जाता कभी, मतलब घूम के संडे बार बोला कि कान इधर से पकड़ना तो इधर से पकड़ो, मैं ऐसे टेढ़ा क्यों पकड़ लूँ जब तो मैं कान में पकड़ना ही है। बट ठीक है, सब सही वे में काम पकड़ेंगे, लेकिन अब एक मतलब वे है, सर बताएंगे, हम करेंगे।
We have added another category this year, 2024. The category is Customer Service Award for providing the excellent service to the client, to the person who is continuously reaching the heights, and every time he provides the quality, he exceed and go above and beyond. So, any guesses?
Oh my God, you got it right, Mr. Dharmendra. It's a heart. Well, like to say something? Yes.
So, stage is all thank you, sir. Thank you. I want to कुछ लोगों को बुलाना चाहूँगा स्टेज पे. So, Anshika, Rishabh, Dharmendra sir, Sangam sir, Anjali ma'am, please stage पे आइए.
आ जाओ भाई.
लग रहा है हर्ष प्रिपेयर करके आए हैं. He is very confident.
So, अगर कस्टमर सर्विस में बताने से अवार्ड करने वाले हैं, लेकिन टीम में धन से सीखता हूँ, समाज से भी बहुत हेल्प करते हैं, डाटा में ऋषभ बहुत हेल्प करता है, दीक्षा नंबर ज्योति भी, आप लोग भी आइए प्लीज. So, customer service sir, again उसके लिए टीम में हेल्प करती है. So, thank you to all आप सभी को. डाटा डिलीवरी मैम, डीवी मैम, ऋषभ, संगम सर, डीके सर, शरद सर, एंड आप सभी टीम को, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच.
So the next award is for is the Star Award 2024.
Star of the Year award. Star of the Year. Star of the Year.
Why? SM, come here. Now he is spoken one name, so I would like to ask him why.
Because I think the way Sachin does his projects is very good. He is very detail oriented and he makes sure that the projects are delivered with a very high quality and on time. So I think that's why.
So give a big round of applause to Sachin.
And say thank you, Sachin, for your wonderful work.
कीपर के बनाया वो भी कीपर ले आओ।
I would like to thank you, Sanjay sir and Devani ma'am, for this opportunity and inviting me Star Performance of the Year. And I would like to thank you, my seniors and all the team members and colleagues. मैंने सबसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है, अभी भी सीख रहा हूँ, कंटिन्यू सीखता रहूँगा। तो thank you so much.
Another name in the same category. Another name in the same category. अब कौन guess करेगा?
I think we should stop this table to guessing game, right? Yeah, we should. Okay, so.
He always exceeds the expectation of the client, and from like last 1 year, through the reports and everything, he is one of the favorite. He is one of the favorite programmer in the team, and moreover, I think from the UK team, UK nursing team, he is one of the last person to work on. I think for him, he never gets an easy programming questionnaire. He always gets the toughest one in the team. So,
Oh, you gave the answer. You not asked them to guess actually.
so another star award.
I hardly seen any project from him going anyway wrong, and even he is very supportive. A lot of people he tries to help as much as he can, and teams are so much happy with him. Or well done, Santosh. You really deserve this. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity and for this award. And I also want to thank you, everyone sitting here, everyone of my team and the team GSS. This is not possible by only by my work. It is possible when we work as a team. So I'm learning from each of you, and that's what I am following. कभी कोई मेरी हेल्प करता है तो मैं उसकी हेल्प करता हूँ या अदर की हेल्प करता हूँ। अगर आप किसी और की हेल्प कर रहे हो काम करते समय तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है वो कुछ सीखेगा, और अगर वो सीख रहा है तो हो सकता है कि अगर सेम इशू कोई और फेस कर रहा है तो वो उसके साथ शेयर करेगा। इसी तरह हम एक दूसरे में नॉलेज बांटते हैं और पॉसिबली एक दूसरे को क्या कह सकते हैं कि इंस्पायर करते हैं टू डू बेटर वर्क एंड टू अचीव व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव इन योर प्रोजेक्ट और इवन इन योर लाइफ। एंड लास्टली थैंक यू।
The final award of this evening, and it's the Employee of the Year 2024. So,
Employee of the Year Award 2024. Sorry, technical issues. So I think we should not give a hint.
yeah,
जब इशू बोलो
come on,
Without any.
come on. Employee of the Year. It goes to Rishabh. And I think everyone knows in the team, in the company, that he is one of the hard-working person. He never stepped back with his roles and responsibility. He always tried to help each one in the team, whether it's being late or staying late in the office, or working from home while he's on leave. So he's deserving, and I think everyone has some space for Rishabh, because he is very charming and adorable person. So give a big round of applause for him.
I would like to add some more attributes to him actually. I think that dictionary, there is a lot of adjective, but maybe they got to again to explain his, how he is. So I'll go more technical actual aspect of him. Being a DP person, recently we were talking about something. Not recently, not just yesterday even. He was even ready to help and do some scripting. So programmers, if you need some help, you can go on to Rishabh. He can also try to, even whatever things you would like to, you can ask Rishabh to do. He will never say no. He will always try to put his heart and mind to try to give you whatever help he can. So this is one of the best attributes that I think he has, and he really deserves. He was this Rising Star Award and Star Award he had previous years, and this is the first time he is getting Employee of the Year award, and we are really proud of him having in the team, and he really makes a difference among all of us. So thank you so much and congratulations.
अब तो कुछ कहना पड़ेगा.
मैं कुछ कहना चाहूंगा ऋषभ के लिए. लेफ्ट से आई बातों को लेफ्ट कर देता है. काम हो या खेल, उसमें अपना बेस्ट कर देता है. जल्दी में इतना रहता है, कुछ कहने या बताने से पहले ठीक हो जाएगा मैम कह देता है. इन बातों को समझना है तो कोई भी टास्क उसे दे के देख लो, फिर भी यकीन ना आए तो उसे छू कर देखो.
Few words.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for this wonderful award. Or thanks to DK sir, Anjali ma'am, Mansoor sir, Ahsan sir, Sangam sir, and to all my other teammates. और स्पेशल थैंक्स टू दीक्षा मैम, ज्योति एंड फरमान, जो हमेशा हर काम में मदद करते हैं, साथ देते हैं. तो थैंक यू ऑल.
Thank you. And now this is the time to move on, but before we move on, we have to note momentum. And these momentum are for the people who really work hard. And I think ये GSS की वो वाली जोड़ी कौन सी थी? उसकी शोले में जोड़ी है? जय और भीम. नहीं जय और भीम कौन सी लड़की में क्या है? So you can call the Jodi of GSS, and they really work hard to get things done on time and move everything perfectly.
Okay, so I think we had the award categories. Along with that, when they came together, and they really helped names are Asan and Sangam. The duo, the pair, and
आज क्या बोल रहे थे मंसूर?
सोनू मोनू
सोनू मोनू together.
25 years ready है
so since they started working with us, it's been 5 years and they have put a lot of effort. So thank you so much, Asan. Thank you so much, Sangam. You have completed 5 years and we're really proud of you having and working and contributing so much towards the team. And we look forward going and further taking this place to the next level. Thank you so much and congratulations.
So few words from both of you. बताओ लड़की में क्या है? कुछ ऐप तो नहीं है?
एक काम करते हैं, few words. No, Asan will say few words for Sangam. Sangam will say few words for Asan. Right?
लेकिन पहले ऐसे से पूछना चाहूंगी, लड़के में कोई ऐप तो नहीं है?
बिल्कुल नहीं, पूरा पेट है वहाँ पर कोई याद नहीं
कोई बात नहीं है। एक भी ऐप नहीं तो भी नहीं की मेरी बात।
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं
Good.
अगर अपने बारे में
First of all, thank you, Shailesh sir and Devani ma'am for giving me this opportunity to be here. And I am very happy to be here because I like the culture of Jesus and I love the environment of Jesus. Like जैसे seniors हैं, जैसे juniors हैं, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। मतलब काम करके कभी ऐसा फील नहीं होता कि किसी कंपनी में है ऐसा कुछ। तो बाकी ऐसा का सपोर्ट हमेशा रहा है। DK सर ऑल इन वन कभी कुछ भी हो, अंजलि मैम बहुत लड़ाई होती बट फिर भी बहुत चीज़ें सीखने मिली मैम से। सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड
First of all, I would like to thank Shailesh sir and DB ma'am for giving me the opportunity to be here and their support, constant support for me to learn from them. They have been like more than just my bosses. They are like family to me now. And after that, I would like to thank DK sir who has always supported me and helped me to grow and become the person who I am today. And then I would like to move on to Anjali ma'am who have really helped me to manage my tasks, how to be on time and manage the pro-con especially. So thank you Anjali ma'am. And then I would like to come to Sangam who has been a constant support. मतलब हमेशा मेरे साथ रहा है, इवन कभी लीव पे भी है, अगर उनको कभी हेल्प चाहिए कहीं पे मैं कुछ I will call him and कहता बस 2 मिनट को लैपटॉप खोल लो, बस इतनी ही देर लगती थी and संगम would come and help me. अभी कुछ दिन पहले की बात है, रात में शिफ्ट लेट हो गई है, 12:30 बजे मैं किसी टास्क में फंसा हुआ था और 1 बज गए थे। फिर संगम कहता कहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? तो मैंने बताया कि मैं कहीं पे अटक गया हूँ। कहता लाओ दिखाओ मैं कर दूंगा एंड ही लाइक जस्ट डिड इट। सो थैंक यू सो मच संगम।
एक सेकंड में दोनों अगर कुछ चलाओ तो मैं कह दूं कुछ
कह दो सर।
He actually Mansoor is waiting for this moment.
तो ये तो हमारे ऐसे भाई के लिए छोटे छोटे कदम लेता है, जब चलता है पॉकेट में हाथ डाल लेता है। मैम की हर बात पे हाँ में हाँ मिलाता है, सबको फेल कर देता है जब कभी भी वो फॉर्म में बैठता है। भाई दारू बिना पिए ही पार्टी में जान डालता है, तभी इन अदाओं की वजह से वो खान बाबा के बाद।
So thank you guys, thank you so much. So without wasting any more time, let's proceed.
Are you ready for the next performance? Make some noise यार।
Clumsy Girl और उनकी सिंसियर सीनियर का डांस परफॉर्मेंस, जहाँ एक के मूव्स हैं थोड़े से क्विकी और दूसरे के मूव्स हैं परफेक्टली सिंक्रोनाइज। तो तालियों से उनका स्वागत करें और देखते हैं ये जोड़ी किस तरह स्टेज पर जादू करती है।
Please welcome Riya and Diksha ma'am for their performance.